Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will discuss about audio is overlapping in WhatsApp status on iPhone on iOS devices. Guys, if you are facing this problem, please watch this video until the end because I have some solutions about this problem. I hope your problem will be solved after this setting. First of all, check update of your WhatsApp on iPhone. Open App Store, search WhatsApp. Here you can see, guys, you can see my WhatsApp has been updated already. Now see the next solution. Delete some extra data from WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp here and simply tap on setting, tap on storage and data, tap on manage storage, and here you can see, tap on it and delete some photos and videos which you should not, and simply tap on here and tap on it large photos and video and select you don't want to need in WhatsApp. And guys, simply go back and third solution is go back from here and open setting application appears on screen. Tap on it here, guys, scroll down and tap on journal and check if software update is available. Now update your software. Now go back and must be the next solution. Now simply go back from here and now tap on journal. Now tap on iPhone storage and now here scroll down and find out WhatsApp. Tap on it and you can see, simply tap on offload app from here and wait for some seconds and now reinstall app from here. I hope your problem will be solved after this setting. Please like my video, subscribe.